Idioms. A group of words whose meaning is different from the meanings of the individual words. One, A, B, C, of something. The basic principles or facts of a subject or procedure. You have to know more than the A, B, C, of writing to be a journalist. 2. Abide by something. To follow the correct procedures for something. To follow the rules. All students are expected to abide by the rules of our school. 3. Able to take a joke. Not easily offended by jokes or by ridicule. Able to laugh at oneself easily. No, I am not mad that you called me a fool. I can take a joke. 4. Able to take something. Able to endure something unpleasant. Please don't give me any more work today. I can't take it. 5. About to do something. Ready to do something. Ready to start something. Turn on the TV. My favorite show is about to come on. 6. Above board. Open and above board. Honest and straightforward. In the open. Nothing hidden. The investigators came by to make sure that everything is above board. 7. Above and beyond the call of duty. Doing much more than is required or expected of one in one's job. I can't believe that you stayed in the office all night to finish that project. That was really above and beyond the call of duty. CF. Beyond the call of duty. In addition to or more than what is required. The principal usually meets with parents on the weekends. Although it's beyond the call of duty. 8. Above one's head. Over one's head. Too difficult or confusing to understand. The joke was above everyone's head, and no one laughed. 9. Able to breathe again. Having time to relax and enjoy oneself after a period of time during which one was very busy. Now that my final exams are over, I can breathe again. 10. Able to do something blindfolded. Able to do something with one hand tied behind one's back. Having the ability to do something very easily and quickly. Riding a bike is easy. I able to ride blindfolded. I can repair a car with hand tied behind my back.
One, A, B, C's, of something. 2. Abide by something. 3. Able to take a joke. 4. Able to take something. 5. About to do something. 6. Above board. Open and above board. 7. Above and beyond the call of duty. CF. Beyond the call of duty. 8. Above one's head. Over one's head. 9. Able to breathe again. 10. Able to do something blindfolded. Able to do something with one hand tied behind one's back.